Hello everyone. Today I will talking at an AI model. This model is very old in version, but I've done multiple updation in the code. Firstly I will open the code file. This is the basic version of the code file, where you can say there is a class of operator app and there are multiple self functions call. So so in this version you cannot find any shoulder movement. This particular code file is only for facial expression and head movement. I have changed this code to this version where we now covered the shoulder movement and multiple implementation towards the background. So we can also add background video and background image in the same NIM. So let me run this code, and before that I will also show the shoulder movement. So I have did this with the help of a find transform where I've changed the value like this. You can see in the section where I have changed the value and I have given a random value to rotate a shoulder movement from left to right and right to left. So whatever the actions or gestures in the camera or in the video, the anime will transform to that motion and gesture. So I will run this code with the help of webcam, but before that I will also show you the results. So these are the some samples, so you can see as the final output, where I will show in the result in both the cases, where I've used a background video and without a background video. So you can see this video is without a background video, and this is again a video with the help of background video. So you can see simultaneously two videos are running at the same time, where the background video is something different and with the anime. So you can also configure this with multiple images. You can also add your custom background image and video itself. So I will run the code now. So I will recommend you to, whenever you code it to your local directory, make sure you have created a virtual environment for this. So let me enable the virtual environment, and now I'm running the code. So firstly I will run the basic code file, and then after I will run the modified code file. So as you can see, this GUI is started, where you can see the in the middle you can see a webcam with facial detection. Here I am loading the waifu image. You can also customize any image into 256 cross 256, and then when you start this implementation, it's loaded and the result section is seen in the right hand side. So basically my system is configured with CPU, so you may get response little bit slow as compared to the DPU computation. So it's very slow, but you can run this code in your GPU config file, so it will run very smoothly. So this is an implementation of basic code file. Again I will run this code with the updated code file. So I have changed this into a sh file. All the modification I've done this in sh file, so that at the runtime I need to only run this code file. So I will run this again. I will activate the virtual environment, and at the same time I will type run 3.sh as I have named in the local directory. So in this code is again, you will get a same interface with this shoulder movement. So in this you can see I have added a background image, and the name is same, and also you can also check with the shoulder movement. Here the output is a little bit slow as compared to the previous one, as I told you that system is having CPU configuration, so you can run the same with the GPU configuration. So it will give a result in a smooth and very clear way. So this is how it will work, and you can also like create your own anime, and you can share the result and generate the result. And also you can add the background or any customized video and audio or images you can add in the background, so that it will give a result in a smooth way. So again, I have done one more edit in this. Like I have created a log file in which you can also calculate the total time frame for to run the code in all the execution manner. So this is like you can also do in your own system, own machine. So this is like CPU memory limit is this. So like, so you can check the total time frame to run this program is something like this 1.555 something number. So you can also like calculate the time to differentiate the different timings of running functions at the same model. So like on the backend of this model, this particular files are required, like for face morphing, combiner, and placeholder. Here I've used shape predictor 68 landmarks. You can also uh, yeah, you can also use this rest of the files to run this code smoothly. And like for uh, like on the if you are setting up on the local, so you need to install this requirements. So I have also made it requirement.txt, so you can find this code on GitHub. So later on I will also do some implementation and on the customized part, so you can see in the rest of the part. So these are the basic comic custom like test results. So these are very dirty in noise, having noise in the results. So you can also check that I have implemented this model from lower side to the higher side in the image resolution. So I started I have this in 128 pixel, but later on I have modified this into 256 and 512. But moving forward, I am also looking for 720 and 1080 image resolution. So this is it, and if you have any questions and suggestions, you can ask me, or you can tell me, or you can also explore my GitHub profile or LinkedIn profile. So I've mentioned in the comment section. Yeah, thank you.